Right, we've left Ingleton and we've come up to see another waterfall which is called Catrigg Force. But we've just parked up. We're going to go down that road there, it's like half a mile. But we've come up here and this is the park up that we've found. So we're just going to park here and then end up going down there. But at the minute we're just going to have something to eat. Erica has just cooked us bacon and egg bagel. So we're going to have this, probably have a brew and go down. But look how stunning it's turned out today. Catrigg Force Waterfalls, I think it is. If I'm wrong, I'll put a thing up on the screen. Oh. Over the cattle grid. Apparently it's only a mile, well no, half a mile down this road. But I didn't really want to bring the van down because I didn't know whether there's anywhere to park up, and that's an ideal parking spot just up at the top. I'll tell you what, look at this here. What? How is that tree just growing out of all them rocks? Look at it. It's mental. But look, so nice today. Anyway, we were on our way home, but we just thought, let's find something on the way back. And I looked on Google Maps and this place came up. I swear to God, it's so good. But we'll see what the waterfall's like once we get down there. Hopefully it's not going to be nowhere near as packed as Ingleton was yesterday, because that was horrendous. You couldn't stop or do anything. People queuing up behind you, it's bloody horrible.
Especially on the bridges, wasn't it?
Yeah. Look at it now.
Okay.
Right, come on, Erica.
God, you.
What's that between your legs? You've got. Yeah, wait. Do you want me to come and help? Right, stay there. Stay there.
1942 to 2018. James Thompson Swindlehurst. Welcome to my world. Beautiful.
That's a sick view, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Now what's that in the steps?
That's the quad. That's how the clouds are rolling across. I don't know where we've been. We've been out for about an hour or so now. It's supposed to only be half a mile away. But we've come over all this here. And there's been no sign for this thing. And then I've just come to this gate. Catrigg Force. So, told you it was going the right way. Just a bit out of the way.
Just round the corner.
That's the famous family saying for me. Just round this corner. No one believes me anymore. But I can actually hear water down here now. So it's all looking good. Just took a bit longer than what I thought. Oh, let's just see. Turn you around. I can hear running water. If it is a waterfall, it doesn't sound that big. I tell you what, it's nice this, isn't it?
Yeah.
This little windy path down. What are all the yellow flowers? See them?
I don't know. Oh, they look like little primroses. They do look like primroses. Let's have a look.
Oh. Ended up in a field full of bloody cows, thought they were going to attack us. Started running over towards us, but they stopped.
Yeah, they are.
Erica was dumping all her gear off and jumped over the wall and left me.
Dead right.
What are they, primrose?
Yeah.
It's sounding good anyway. The water's getting louder. I don't know which way to go now though. There's a gate there through the woods. So what, let me just get to the edge here and look over, and then I think we will go through there because it looks pretty good. Oh! Oh, it's right down there. Bloody hell, we're right on the top. I don't know whether this is going to pick it up, but I'm right on the top because the waterfall is one second. I can hear all people down there. There's the waterfall, I presume.
People down there.
It's a right drop, have you seen it?
Yeah, people down there.
Right, we'll go through that forest gate. Oh, Erica's debating on whether to jump because she don't like the walk back. But that looks well good. Right, we're back at this woodland. I'm going to go this way now, see if we can get down to the waterfall. I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to. You alright?
Yeah.
This is nice through here, isn't it?
Yeah. Although that was nice up there. The top of the waterfall.
And this path now winds down all the way down to the...
This is beautiful.
Well, I think there's different sections because look, there's steps there and that's to that, but then the path carries on down. What we'll do, I'm going to go and have a look at this first, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's alright.
Beautiful.
I'll tell you what. Oh, they're all swimming. I'll tell you what though, you need to get down here. This place is sick. I swear to God, it's well worth a visit. Right, that's us done for the day. That was, what's it called? Catrigg Force Waterfalls. If you ever get the chance, I swear to God, come down. Absolutely stunning place, it really is. Get down here, you can have a wild swim in there. I just met a couple of women down there having a wild swim. Absolutely fantastic. The views are unbelievable. Right, if you like this, give us a thumbs up or consider subscribing to the channel. And even if you don't, thanks for watching anyway. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.